Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Draftbit auth with Firebase, full guide step by step clearly. To download Draftbit auth with Firebase, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Draftbit website. Create a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, click on the New Project button. Choose a template that suits your application's needs. Now, let's set up Firebase for authentication. Open a new tab and go to the Firebase console. Click on Add Project to create a new Firebase project. Enter a project name and click Continue. Skip the Google Analytics setup for now and click Create Project. Wait for a moment while Firebase initializes your project. Once done, click Continue to access your project dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Authentication. Select the Get Started button to enable Firebase authentication. Now, you'll set up your sign-in methods. Click on the Sign In Method tab. Enable the authentication methods you want to use, like email/password. Make sure to save your changes. Next, move to the project settings by clicking on the gear icon. Scroll down to the Your Apps section. Click on Web to register your app. Enter a nickname for your app and click Register App. Firebase will provide configuration settings for your app. Copy the Firebase configuration snippet to your clipboard. Go back to your Draftbit project. In the Draftbit editor, navigate to the Code section. In the Custom Code area, paste the Firebase configuration snippet. Now, let's install Firebase in your Draftbit project. Open the Packages section and search for Firebase. Click on Add to install the Firebase package. After installation, return to the Code section. You'll need to initialize Firebase in your custom code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.